Hello everybody, this is Nora and I am excited because I am here to tell you about my very first dip powder system that I have started to use. Yes, so I bought this one from Amazon. This is one of two options that they have, starter kit number 1 and number 2. This one's number 2. They have different colors in them. So I'm going to tell you, and I will have the link to the Amazon down in the description bars if you guys like to go and check it out. But yes, I like this starter kit. It pretty much has everything you need to start out with. And yeah, you're looking at an empty box because I've already taken them out of the box and used it, and I just couldn't fit it back in here. But just to let you know about the box, so the box, do not throw it away. It tells you what to expect from the products, such as there's no primer or lamp needed, unlike gels. Easy to apply and soak off, and yes, I do find that I can testify that that's true. Lightweight and much thinner to wear. Yes, I believe that's true also. Make your nails stronger. Another true statement. Non-yellowing and perfect shine. I do like the shine. I haven't been out in the sun to see whether it's going to yellow or not. And lasting up to 3 weeks. Well, you know, obviously you have growth before that. I don't keep polishes. I don't like to see growth on my nails. Now we have the instructions in here on how to use it, and I followed these steps. I found them to be very accurate. The only thing I felt it was missing from here was waiting time in between steps, or the drying time. So for that, I kind of referred to some videos to finish my application and do it correctly. And since I practiced on some tips, and I wanted to brave something other than the color application. These are, I'll show you the powders, but these are the colors, solid colors, and then I braved on attempting to do a fringe tip and also an ombre. I love the ombre in this tip. It wasn't too hard, and I attempted to do it on my right hand, but my left hand was clumsy at doing it, so it didn't come out as pretty as when I did it here. But yeah, there's so many different things that you can do with these powders, and I am looking forward to learning all the different ways and doing art with them. So okay, in this package it comes with 4 colors, and so you have a white, the white powder, right there it is. We have pink, and this pink, let me show you on the tip what it looks like. It's this pink right here. Very pretty. And then we have the gray, this gray on the tip. Right there it is. And then we have the what I'm calling this a nude, and this is what I have on my nails. As you can see, very pretty, just like a buff color. The kit also included these 2 dipping plastic trays, and these are more for the way they are shaped is for doing the fringe tips. Okay, I did not use these yet. I'm not going to show you how to use this, but this was nice and convenient that these were included in the kit. I was happy to see that those were here. And then we have the liquids. So it came with 4 liquid bottles. And these numbers do mean something. If you haven't been watching, so the number 1 is the first step that you do, which is the gel base. Okay, and the number 2 is that all the powders are number 2. So depending on, let's say if you're going to do a solid color on all the nails. So first you apply your base, the color becomes the number 2. Then number 3 is the activator. Right there it is. And number 4, you finish up with the top coat. This 4th bottle right here is a brush saver, which is nice if your bristles happen to harden in any of these. You can put them in here to help them loosen up, as well obviously having this extra brush right here. So that's nice to have. As far as primers or bonds, that's really not necessary. I will talk about the nail preps on application. You just want to make sure you prepare your nails just like if you were to be doing any gel application, free of any oils or dirt or dust. And then the last thing you should do, it will be either wipe alcohol or acetone before starting with the base. That's pretty much it. And I have seen other more advanced systems that come with the primer in this kit, but it really, if you look at that, I mean, that's all you're doing is dehydrating the nail, and you can accomplish the same thing with either even acetone, pure acetone, 100% acetone, or just use alcohol. And I will tell you that I first, as you like see on my nails, so my attempt on these, I used the nude is because this is my attempt at using this system as an overlay more than a color. Now I have this, I use the nude because over this I can either apply gel polish or regular polish, remove it, I can remove the regular polish with nail polish remover, and maybe gels I can use a temporary peel off. So that's another thing that I'm going to test for you guys. I'm going to see how well my easy peel offs work with this and gel. Okay, so there's going to be a series of videos coming up in relation to these dip powders in this system. But yes, so this is, I have to say guys, I really am impressed with the application, and having done gel overlays in the past, this was so much easier. Just like Nails of Interest, I thought it was going to be overwhelming at first. No, yeah, it seems like a lot at first because you see all these bottles plus the powders. It really isn't. Once you get the hang of it, it goes on pretty quick. I started practicing on these tips. Then I moved on to hood. I did my right hand. I did my husband's pinky. Today I did my daughter's nails. So I'll have clips. I'm going to show you the process so that you can take this video as also a demonstration or an education on how I've learned to do this on myself. And then later on, as I have results on this, and my daughter is also, she's on a task on telling me, and she has a very handy work, so she really puts her nails to the test. As far as I told her, we want to see how this goes with lifting, and once it's time for filling, I want to see how that whole rest, how that process is gonna go. So, but as so far I can testify application, I give this 2 big thumbs up. I love how easy that was. So let me go ahead and leave you with the clips on the process, and hopefully you guys will find that pretty simple to follow. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave them below. For now, we're just going to stick to the single color basic application. So this right here, no matter which color you use, it'll be the same process. This is just a single color application, basic, nothing fancy with ombres or anything like that. So let's learn this. Let's learn to do this first, and then we'll move on to the more complicated, more advanced stuff. So I'll go ahead and leave you guys with that demo, and I hope you enjoy.